You're in the Philippines and you're searching for the leading digital asset exchange and lumabas is ang Coins or Coins.ph. In this video, ituturo ko sa inyo kung papaano ba mag-cash in dito sa platform na ito. First step is syempre i-download nyo muna yung app. If merong update, i-update to the latest version. Now open the app and log in with your existing account. However, if wala ka pang Coins account, let us know in the comments. Gagawa natin ng separate tutorial on how you can sign up and makapag-verify ng inyong mga Coins account. Now here sa home screen, pinutin natin itong cash in. And then here makikita natin yung malaking QR code powered by InstaPay. Then meron tayong mga top picks dito which includes GCash, Shopee Pay, Union Bank, and many more. And as we scroll down, nandito yung iba pang mga e-wallet options, banks, and remittance center. But for this tutorial guide, we will be choosing GCash since it's the most well-known and most used e-wallet or digital wallet dito sa Philippines. So, pinutin natin GCash. Now, right here, meron tayong two options to do this cash in. Meron tayong InstaPay, ma-receive na natin within 10 minutes. However, fees may apply. With PESONet naman, next banking day siya. However, libre po itong PESONet. But kung nagmamadali kayo, I'd suggest you go with InstaPay. Now, let's say pinili mo rin ang InstaPay, disregard mo yung instruction sa baba, maituturo ko sa inyong mas mabilis na method. So, from this page, back lang tayo. And then dito, pindutin natin yung share button. Then click save. So image saved sa ating gallery, sa ating photos. Since GCash ang panggagalingan ng ating funds, make sure that you have downloaded the app and update it to the latest version. Now inside your GCash app, meron tayong QR button sa may bottom middle. Pindutin natin yung QR button. Then here, pindutin yung upload QR. So ito yung in-screenshot natin. Piliin natin to. And from here, na-detect na po directly ng GCash yung QR na in-scan po natin. So, kailangan na lang natin ilagay dito is kung magkano yung amount na isasend natin. Now, let's try 50 pesos. Then, send money. So, meron tayong fee na 10 pesos. Let's try kung lalakihan ko. Let's say 500. So, constant na 10 pesos yung InstaPay. Kumbaga, yan yung pamasahe nyo. Let's try 5,000 kung magtataas ba siya. Same. So, 5,000, 500, 50, 5 pesos, 10 pesos ang magiging transfer fee from using InstaPay. So, yeah, for me, that's a convenience fee na babayaran ko and willing akong bayaran since gusto ko mas mabilis yung transaction. But for this one, I'll try 100 na lang para kahit paano magamit ko siya. So, send money. 110 is my total. Check natin yung I confirm that the details are correct. Then, pay tayo dito sa my bottom. Lagay lang natin yung OTP. Then, submit. So, bank transfer complete. Successful na siya dito sa ating GCash. Let's get back sa ating coins. Let's see if nag-reflect na siya. So, nag-reflect na. 1,088 na yung balance natin. Now, to verify if na-receive na ba talaga natin, if kung yun ba yung transaction, no, na exactly the same sa ginawa natin recently, makikita natin yan dito sa messages. And kung makikita ninyo sa transactions, ang nakalagay, cash in 100 PHP is successful. Nandyan yung date, yung oras, and yung pinaka-time zone. So, yes, pumasok na po and mabilis lang natin na-receive yung ating tinransfer or yung kinash in natin from GCash papunta dito sa ating coins. Now, what if meron kang InstaPay kaso wala kang QR code, hindi gumagana yung camera, hindi nababasa ng maayos yung QR na generate natin at sinave natin sa gallery? Ano ang manual way na pwede mong gawin? Well, kung babalik tayo dun sa cash in page ng GCash, makikita ninyo meron tayong set of instructions dito. So, ito lang gagawin natin para magawa natin to manually. So, sa GCash natin, pindutin natin itong transfer button. Tapos choose local. Then i-search po natin dito coins. Search. Yang DCPay/coins.ph, yan po yung ating pipiliin. Then here, po-provide lang natin yung details. Let's say mag-transfer tayo ulit ng 100 pesos. Yung account name, lagay ko yung pangalan ko. For the account number, actually yan yung phone number natin. Pero just to be sure, balik tayo dito sa coins. And nakalagay dito yung account name natin. Account number is exactly yung ating phone number. So paste na lang natin dito just to be sure. And click done. Tapos click on send money. Actually same lang din, no. Ang pinagkaiba lang is yung pinaka method. So dito, check lang natin yung I confirm. Then click on pay PHP 100. Tapos OTP, provide nyo lang, click on submit, and bank transfer complete sa GCash. To verify, balik tayo sa coins. Punta tayo sa home. Alright, so yung 1,088 natin is 1,188 na, and to verify this, notifications. Dito sa messages, makikita natin, ayun, cash in 100 pesos is successful at August 15, 2026. Andyan yung time zone, yung exact time. So nakita nyo yung kanina, napatungan ng bago. So therefore, successful yung ating dalawang 100 pesos na kinash in from our GCash papunta dito sa Coins account natin. On top of that, makaka-receive din kayo ng email from Coins.ph stating na successful yung inyong cash in transaction. And finally, meron ng laman itong ating coins. Pwede na tayo mag-trade ng crypto, pwede tayo mag-bayad ng mga bills na hindi available sa ibang digital wallets, and etc. etc. For the meantime, yun lang muna, no? If meron kayong mga questions or requests regarding coins, kung paano mag-trade, paano mag-buy ng crypto, paano magbenta ng crypto, paano mag-transfer, please do let us know down there sa comments ng video na ito, and huwag nyo kalimutan na mag-subscribe and hit yung notification bell para updated kayo sa mga susunod na videos na i-upload natin dito sa ating channel. Kita-kits next time!